everyone, welcome to the deep dive section of Techie Tacos. I'm your host Neha, and today we are going to cover the dark side of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a text generating system that can write anything from stories to essays to code based on a few words or sentences given by the users. But how does ChatGPT work? How does it learn to generate such diverse and coherent texts? The answer is by using a lot of human labor and a complex algorithm. Yes, you heard that right. Behind the scenes of ChatGPT, there are contract workers who are paid as low as $15 an hour with no benefits to teach the system how to analyze data and give better responses. These workers are called AI trainers, and they are essential for the development and improvement of ChatGPT. ChatGPT works by using a deep neural network, which is a type of AI that mimics the structure and the function of the human brain. This neural network consists of many layers of interconnected nodes that process information and learn from data. The more data the network receives, the more it learns and improves its performance. But where does this data come from? This is where the AI trainers come in. They provide the data that ChatGPT needs to learn and generate texts. They do this by performing various tasks such as labeling photos, making predictions, writing summaries, rating outputs, and flagging errors or inappropriate content. They also provide feedback to ChatGPT by telling it what it did right or wrong and how it can improve. In this video, we'll hear from an AI trainer who spoke to NBC News about their work and their experiences with OpenAI, the company that created ChatGPT. The AI trainer is a 34-year-old in Kansas City who has done various jobs in the past. He has been working as an AI trainer for OpenAI since 2020. His main task is to provide feedback to ChatGPT by labeling photos and making predictions about what text the system should generate next. He works about 20 hours a week and earns $15 an hour. He enjoys the work, but he also faces many challenges and difficulties. He has to deal with ambiguous or unclear instructions from OpenAI and has to cope with the boredom and monotony of doing repetitive tasks. He also has to deal with the frustration and disappointment of seeing ChatGPT make mistakes or produce low-quality texts. He feels like he is not valued or appreciated by OpenAI. He has never met or spoken to anyone from the company, and he does not know how his feedback is used or how it affects the system performance. He also feels like he is easily replaceable and disposable. He hopes that his work will lead to some positive outcomes for the society, but he also worries that his work might be used for harmful purposes. He does not have any control over how ChatGPT is used or who uses it. As you can see, the AI trainers are doing a lot of work to make ChatGPT work, but they are also facing a lot of challenges and difficulties. This raises some ethical and social questions about the future of AI and work. How can we ensure that the AI trainers are treated fairly and respectfully? How can we ensure that their work is transparent and accountable? How can we ensure that their work is aligned with the values and goals of the society? How can we ensure that their work is not exploited or misused by others? These are some of the questions that we need to ask and answer as we move forward in the era of AI. We need to recognize and appreciate the human labor that powers AI, and we need to protect and empower the human workers who do it. That is all for today's video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching our videos.